Having a Facebook page is one way to take your business online. If you have been trying to take your business online, having a Facebook page is an easy way to do it. But you don't know how to create a Facebook page for your business? Well, not to worry, because today is going to be a great day for you. Hi everyone, my name is Startup Jazzwil. I'm a digital marketer and a small business expert. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook page for your business in 2020. Now, if you are watching this on YouTube, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also click the bell icon for alert notifications so that when I upload a new video explaining how to take your business online, you will be notified and you will never miss a thing. Before we get started, let's answer two questions around Facebook page and your business. Two important questions. One, is creating a Facebook page for your business difficult? Answer, no. It's so simple that even your grandma can do it. And I mean that. Question two, can't I use my personal Facebook page for my business? Answer, yes and no. Yes, if you are building a personal brand around your personality. For example, if you are a comedian, but bear in mind, you'll be limited with what you can do with your Facebook account. Now, no, because if your business is not all about you, it will not make sense building it around yourself. Take for instance, if you own a delivery company, it's not just about you. So you have to build that business around the business, not around you. In business, that's what we call the principle of going concern. What if tomorrow you want to sell that business? Are you also going to sell your personal Facebook account? You see, one reason why it's important that you create a Facebook page for your business. But most importantly, having a Facebook page gives you access to free business tools from Facebook that can help you to grow your business easily. For instance, the Audience Insight tool inside Facebook Business Manager. Now, this tool allows you to research your audience to understand the kind of people who like your business and understand the kind of content to create that will attract them and will move them to want to buy from you. If you don't have a business page, a Facebook business page, you won't see that. So, are you ready now to create your first Facebook page for your business? Well, this is what we're going to do. I'm going to log into Facebook and you will watch me create a Facebook page from scratch to finish. What do you think about that? Interesting, right? All right, then, let's dive in. All right, so right now I'm going to log into my Facebook profile. That's my regular Facebook account and create a Facebook page for my business. So watch me as I do this. I click on Facebook. So obviously I'm already logged on my Facebook. This is my Facebook, my regular Facebook page, as you can see here. So what you need to do is to go to the top right hand side where you see notifications. Just after your name and your profile picture, you will see a plus sign. That plus sign that says create. Click on that plus sign and you see options of what you can create. You can create a post from that place. You can create a short story, a live event, a page. As you can see, you can create an ad, a group, or an event. So what we want to do is to create a page. Look at it here, say page, create page, connect and share with customers or fans. So I will click on that, create page. So that's the first thing you do, to log on to Facebook and go to that plus sign and click to create a page. So look at the left hand side of the page that open up. You see the options there. Page information, that's the page name. Facebook says this is required. The page category is also required. Then description is optional. You have option to put description later. Even this category you can update it later. But the page name, you can change your page name later also, but it's good that you put a name that is associated with your business. So what I want you to take note of when choosing a page name for your business, make sure that the page name represents your business or your brand. Okay, something that can be associated with what you do. Make sure that you use that name for your business, something that people can remember you for. Something that people will see and relate it to your business, relate it to what you do. Okay, so let's assume I want to create a Facebook page for let's say learn, okay, web design, for instance, because I have a course where I teach people how to design websites. So let me create a page for that site, for that course right now. Learn web design. That's page, and then the category. Now once you click on the category, you start typing and Facebook will give you options. So web design, to learn web design, that might be under maybe website design. Oh good, it's there already. Web design. Now if you don't see exactly your page, your type of business category, look for what is closest to it and select that. Let's assume that maybe I was into public speaking, for example. Okay, let me see if there's public speaking there. I pull this. So there's no public speaking. As you can see, there's public figure, public and government science, public school, publisher, public square, pub. So since that option, public speaking, is not there, I can look for what is closest. Now if you are a public speaker, you could say you are a public figure, for example. So I probably would have selected public figure. Okay, but since we know what we are doing, let's go back. Let me try something else. Digital creator. So I can use this, that I'm a digital creator, because the course Learn Web Design is a digital product. So I can say I'm a digital creator. I can do that as well. But let's just stick to the web design. So we say web designer. So I'm a web designer. So I click on this. Okay. So page description, I could just still use a web design for the page description. Okay, web design. Yes. So I put in a description as web design. So next thing to do is to click on create page. So I do this. Good. Say learn web design created. Now you can add images or go to your page to add more details. So this page has been created. The next thing is to add a profile picture. You see here now, add profile picture. Now your profile picture, I want you to use an image that is quick to recognize. You can use if you have a logo for your business, you can use your business logo, because that is what will appear when you comment on a post. That is the image that people will see along with your name, along with your business name. So your profile picture should be your business logo if you have one. Otherwise, you can use your face. For instance, if you are a brand, you are building a brand around yourself, you are the face of the business, then you can use your own picture as your profile picture. So I'm going to add a profile picture right now by clicking on add profile picture. I'm just going to pick one of my pictures here. I think I have one picture here that talks about web design. Where do I have that picture now? Coming. How to design a website easily 2020. Okay. But the shape of that. Okay. Yeah. So I take that. So take note that your profile picture will be cropped by Facebook. So make sure that there is nothing in the edges that will make it, make Facebook crop it off. You see that picture I picked now? Look at how beautiful it is as it has been cropped here. Okay. Then next is for you to, and take note before we go to the next stage, the size of this image, 170 by 170 pixels. Okay. And you can design your profile picture and your cover picture and any other picture for that matter using a tool known as Canva. I'll put a link to Canva under this video so that you can either under or on top, you can click on it and it will take you to Canva where you can design beautiful images like this that you can use as your profile picture or your cover photo. So next is to put your cover photo, and your cover photo should be 1640 by 856 pixels. Okay, so if you don't use this size of image, Facebook may likely crop off some part of important information on your picture. So you be careful so that you use a picture that is this same size. Okay, all right, so I'm looking for a picture that I can use. I have one cool picture I designed for one of my YouTube channels. That is a picture I'm looking for right now. It's not you, but let me hold it. This one. Good. Yeah, how to design a website easily in 2020. Very good. Okay, so you can see the way Facebook cropped this picture. Now the top part of this picture is not showing because it's not the exact size. Remember, I did not design this picture for this purpose. So even as I'm moving it, I still can't get what I really need. You see? You understand? So let me see if I can get this one. So this side didn't show. Let me go and use this other side. Good. So I'll just leave it like this, a step-by-step guide to launching your website. Okay. So once I put my profile picture and I put my cover photo, I can come and click on save. Notice as I'm doing all these things, all the changes are occurring in my right hand side. If I want to see how it looks like on a mobile phone or a tablet, I can come and click here. This shows me the mobile view. You can see that picture is looking very ugly on mobile. So if I really want to make use of this page, I may have to come and change that picture later. Okay, well, let's just progress. Okay, so I click on save. It's coming up. Very good. So the page has been created, but that is not all that you need to do. Okay, the next thing you should do is to create a unique username for your Facebook page, something that people can easily associate with your business. So if you look under your Facebook page name, in this case Learn Web Design, you will see this tab here, create at username. You see that? So you click on that tab and come and create a username for your business here. So username should not be too long. Okay, make sure it's short, it's memorable, and it's related to your business. Okay, so I'm going to put my name. Okay, startup. Sorry, let me use Learn Web Design. I think that's related to my business enough, so I can just leave it at that. Learn Web Design. Okay, what do you think? So if you run it into any issues while trying to create a username, you can click on this link here that says choosing a username so that you see what is required for choosing a username. So I'm going to a new tab now. It's opening a new tab so that you can see what is required for you to create a username. So this username isn't available. Please enter a username that isn't already taken. You see, so learn web design is not available. You get it now? So your username must be unique because it's a link. Every page on the internet, every website page on the internet must be unique. So I have to try another username that is available that I can use. So let's say I teach web design. Let's see if that one is available. It's coming up. Meanwhile, this page is still opening. What happened here? Should have opened. Good. So what are the guidelines around creating a custom username or a screen name on Facebook? You can have one username for your page or profile, and you can't have a username that's already being used. Usernames can only contain alphanumeric characters and periods. They can't contain generic terms or extensions. Usernames must be at least 5 characters long. Periods and capitalization can't be used to differentiate usernames. For example, John Smith 555, John.Smith and John.Smith are all considered the same username. Usernames shouldn't impersonate someone else. Your username must adhere to the Facebook terms. Okay, so for your pages, keep in mind that you must be an admin to create or change the username for a page. You may not be able to immediately create a username for a new page if you've recently created several new pages. A page username can also be removed because of inactivity. You see? So those are what is required. So this one I put now, I think the network is really slow. Otherwise, it should have shown whether it's available or not. I teach web design. Good. This username is available. It has marked it good. Do you see that? So I'm going to use this. I learn web design. I say I teach web design. I think that's cool. Why not? I say create username. Create page username. You are all set. The username I teach web design has been created for learn web design. It's now easier for people to find your page in search. People can also visit your page at this and send you messages at this. Now, these informations here, I want to recommend that you copy them and save them. Why do I say so? So that you can paste these links somewhere else. Maybe you have a Twitter account, a LinkedIn account, an Instagram account, or you have a website. You can share these links there so that these people can from these links come to your Facebook page. For instance, if someone clicks on this link, anywhere I put this link, it will come straight to this my page, Learn Web Design. And if someone clicks on this, it will bring the person to my messages for the person to chat with me directly. So I'm going to copy these usernames and put them in a notepad document. Okay. So, okay. Copy link address. I'll paste here. I'll copy the second one too. That's for the messenger. Of course, you can access these documents, this username inside your account. No doubt about that. But there's no disadvantage if you just save them immediately, right? Yeah, that's correct. So this is Learn Web Design. Username. So I'm just going to save this here. Okay. So I minimize that. I click done. So I've done that already. I've created a username. The next is to edit my business information. So if you look at the left hand side, you'll see several menu. There's inbox, resources and tools, notification, insight, publishing tools, ad center, page quality, edit page info. So I recommend you click on this edit page info. Okay, very good. So we can go in now. So these are the details I put earlier: the name, the username, the description. You see categories, web designer. So I can add more categories now. So I can say digital marketing, for instance. If that's digital creator, rather, I can say SEO. Okay, of course I should be able to do SEO as a graphics, as a web designer, but there's no SEO. So how about graphic design? Yes, web designer does graphics too, so I could say graphic designer. Okay, so that's enough categories already. Okay, then phone number. So at this point I can add my phone number. When adding your phone number, you want to choose your country, because that is where you get your country extension from. Then you add a phone number. I'm just going to add some phone number. Okay, I'll add an email address. If I have an email address, I'm going to leave that because I have not created an email address for this page as at this moment. I want to create a special email address for this page, so I'm going to leave that empty. My page doesn't have email, so I can click like this. Website, my page. Okay, let me put one of my website because I can use let me put startupcrest.com. So that's my website. My location, I'm in G line, let's say 50, number 50, G line, Ewet Housing, Uyo. Yeah, Uyo, Nigeria. The zip code for Uyo, so I don't have it on my head, but I can quickly search for it. So I can just say Uyo zip code. I will just Google it. I'm just Googling it. Okay, that's the zip code now. Because I don't have that zip code on my head, this zip code for this location, all I need to do is just go to Google, ask Google to tell me that I'm looking for something. Google, can you please tell me Uyo zip code? Where is it? Uyo zip and postal code. So I'm going to ask Google to tell me the zip code for Uyo. So I think my internet has its own issues today, and my system too. I don't know. Though it's been working since morning, I've had to record a lot of courses today. I'm just going to copy one of these. Okay, I'll copy this one. Yeah, copy. So I go there and I paste it. Okay. At additional location details, not really. Does your page have a physical location that customers can visit? No. Does your page travel to its customers? Yes. Can customers buy your goods or service online? Yes, because they can buy my services. I can, wherever I am, I can design a website for them. So service area, I really don't have a service area, but let's just say Africa, for instance. Okay, let's see, Africa. Okay, Africa is too big. Okay, let's say Nigeria. But why do I want to say Nigeria? What should I say with you? Sure. So I say with you Nigeria. That's my service area. Okay, I can add more than one service area, by the way. Okay, hours, let me just say always open. Okay, otherwise you can set your hours. If you click here, you can set the hours you'll be open for business. Temporary service changes. So because of the COVID-19, Facebook introduced this path where you can say whether COVID-19 has impacted your business, so you are temporarily closed, or you open with service changes, or you're operating as usual. Okay, so I'll just say I'm operating as usual. Nothing has changed for my business. Then your privacy policy. So if you have a website, you can copy your privacy policy the link and paste here. Okay, then if there are legal documents also, you can copy them and also paste it. Maybe you have a document that all your clients must sign for them to work with you. You can come and paste it here so that they can access it from here. So once this is done, we have updated our page info. Okay, we updated our page info. Now there's more we are going to do. So let's continue and update further information on our page. Okay, let's see. So let's now go to what should we update next. Let's go to page settings so that we can update more information about our page. Good. So under page settings, there are lots of things you can set. The page visibility, the page is published, visitors, anyone can publish to the page, anyone can add photos. So you can change that if you don't want anyone can publish to the page. Okay, so there are lots of settings you can do here. Just take your time, read through them. Okay, if there's anyone you want to change, you can do that. We've edited the page info already, notifications, page rules, okay, WhatsApp. So this is an interesting one I think you should do, WhatsApp and Instagram. So if you have an Instagram account, you can link it to your Facebook page. That's an Instagram account that is also related to this business. Okay, so you can come here by clicking here and say connect account. So if you click here to allow you connect your account. I don't have an account for this business on Instagram, so I'm not going to connect any account. Otherwise, once you click on it, let me just click on it and show you what will happen. It will open up a new window where you can put your Instagram name and password. Once you do that, it will be connected to this page. It's as simple as I just put your Instagram username and your password, and that Instagram account will be connected to this Facebook page. Okay, it's opening up. Let it open up so that I'll show you quickly. Can you see that now? Okay, it's showing me one of the account. Okay, this is not mine, but it's an Instagram account I manage for one of my clients. So I can just select that account, for instance, and just click login. That will automatically connect this account to this Facebook page. But I don't want to do that, okay, because this account is connected to another Facebook page already. So I'll just close this window. Now WhatsApp is another thing you can do here too, to connect your WhatsApp number so that people can reach you on WhatsApp. Sometimes you may need to run WhatsApp ad. Okay, so if you have a WhatsApp number, people can directly chat with you. So I'm going to put WhatsApp here. Okay, so I'm going to connect it now. Okay, that is not valid. Remember I told you I'm just going to put some phone number. Let me see. Okay, it's not valid. Oh, but otherwise what will happen is once you put a phone number here, Facebook will send you a code to that number. You put it here and activate this account so that that WhatsApp account will be connected to your phone number. Okay, then you can come and see what will happen. Make it easier for people to send messages. Show people your number. Create WhatsApp ads to place on Facebook. That's if you have your WhatsApp properly set up. Okay, so guys, that is what it takes to create a Facebook page for your business. Now that the page has been created and is properly set up, what I say you should do, okay, you can go back to your general settings if there are any settings, so that you can look through your page settings. Okay, let's go back here now. Oh, sorry, I went back home. Okay, let me come here and go to the page. Okay, So you can look at what you have done here. You see you have a beautiful header image, or what you can call a beautiful cover image. You have a beautiful profile, lovely name. You have your URL, unique URL, that's username, all set up. Okay, so once you have this set up, what I want you to do next is to create your first post. Now this is easy. Now this your first post can be like an introduction talking about yourself and what you do, okay, what your business is all about. That can be like your first post. So let's say I want to create my first post, so it can be a video of you introducing yourself, for instance. Okay, so I click on create. So I want to create my first post. Okay, let's say that post, I'm going to use it to talk about something you can do with your business, your online, your website rather, if you can create a website. So I could just say briefly, I teach web design. So I can just say this, okay, and click post. So my first post has been created. Here it is. You see it? This is my first. I can like it. I can even comment on that post that I just created. So once I've done this, the last thing you need to do now is to start inviting people to come and like your page. So what you should do is invite your friends, you know, your family, your contacts basically on Facebook to come and like your Facebook page. Now why that is important is as you invite your friends to like the page, once they like the page, their friends will also see that they liked a particular page and they'll be prompted to like that page also. Okay, so the more people like your page, the more your page will be visible, and the more people see what you do, and the higher the likelihood of customers coming to patronize you. So this is where you invite friends to come and like your page. So you just click on see all friends. Let me say 1, 2, 3, 4. Also send invite in Messenger. So if you select this option, messages will also go to invite your friends Messenger. Okay, not only will they get notified on their Facebook feed, they'll also be notified on Messenger that they have an invite to like a certain page. Okay, invites away. So once you have done this, guys, you have successfully created a business page, a Facebook page to manage your business. In a subsequent video, I will talk about how to attract more people to come and like your page, strategies that you can apply to attract attention to your page, and how you can monetize your Facebook page properly. I also show you how to set up Facebook ads that you can use to drive traffic to your page and also to drive traffic to whatever business you are doing. There's a course, a Facebook page course that I'm working on. It's going to be very, very inexpensive, something that you can afford, you can easily buy, so that you can learn in detail how to use Facebook to run your business. So this is it, guys. If you have any question, just hit me up in the comment section or send me a DM, and I'll be very happy to answer your questions. And finally guys, I really want you guys to share this video. Share it so that other people can see it. The more people see, the more people we can help to take their businesses online this year. So share this video, like it, and invite your friends also, watch it and share it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.